Okay, in this video we're gonna show you how to clean this boat without working too hard. And good thing is that you have the product in your house already. You don't have to buy anything. What happens is the boat crushes algae as it's moving, and these algae get stuck in the pores of the boat. Now, many people try to clean it with a bleach. It doesn't work. Soap doesn't work. The product that work is acid base toilet cleaner, or any acid you can get hold of. Most toilet cleaners are acid base. You can go to the dollar store and buy it for about $1. Some of them are bleach based, so look in the back. If it has the word acid in it, it will work. All you have to do is wipe and it's done. If you have sensitive skin, you know better. These acids are rather mild. I mean, you notice that I'm using it without gloves, but if you have sensitive skin, so use gloves. And don't drop it anywhere because it will stain your trailer. You want to rinse the boat afterward, be a good idea. You don't have to. Now, some people complain that their boat will have oxidation protection, and this acid might damage that oxidation protection. But I've been using product 10 plus years on the same boat. All you got to do is wipe and boom, it's gone. The stain comes from protein. It's like a grass stain or so. So acid will eat it. Here you can see where it's been cleaned, where it's not been cleaned. Good luck. Let me know if it worked for you, and go fishing, go boating, and if you can, support the channel so we can bring you more videos. Good day and good luck. Look how beautiful that boat is now.